Welcome to the best BNB free faucet free mining website that I know. It is called Bnbpick, and I can tell you for free that I've withdrawn a lot. So my withdrawal history, let's click on withdraw. So let's scroll. So my last withdrawal was $38 worth of BNB. The one before that was $3.6. The one before that was $7, $2, $4, $2, $12, $37, right? This is how much I've withdrawn from this without investment, right? So basically what you do here is to come after every 1 hour and solve a captcha. You can select from the different captcha providers. I prefer icon captcha, and you serve it and then you click on claim. So you receive free BNB based on your level. I'm on stone, so this is my payout. So imagine if I was on some level like master. Oh gosh, right? So they have a new year gift, right, which is what I'm about to share. So you can see it here: redeem happy new year and get gift. I think it's something like that. So you can either tap on that pop-up when it shows up, or you click on the menu and you select gift. The gift code is happy new year, right? So here's what I'm talking about. You tap on this redeem happy new year gift and get a special gift. So it will automatically impute the happy new year. All right, so the code this time is different. The last one had hyphens in between. There is none. Happy new year. You click on redeem gift, and boom, you've received 26 free spins. God damn it. All right, so let's see how much you're going to get with 26 free spins. So back to the home page, you see you have bonus faucet 26, right? So we're currently on early faucet. Of course, we have spinned already. So let's go for the bonus faucet. Tap on it. So now you spin, right? And good news is you're getting 2-time rewards. So let's click on 2-time rewards. I just got 150. Let's tap again. Let's keep tapping. Alright, so I've run out of spins, right? So I've spinned everything. Now my balance faucet is 0 and my balance has increased by the amount of times I spinned, right? So this is not the only faucet from this company. So let's see if they have a similar gift for other faucets. Right, so we're on litepick. Alright, they have it here: redeem happy new year and get a special gift. Let's click on redeem. So when you tap there, the code is automatically imputed. Let's click on redeem gift code. Alright, so we've received the same 26 spins. So you go back to the home page and you toggle over by clicking on bonus faucet just like you did the last time, and you spin, right? I've also withdrawn from here as well, and here is my withdrawal history: $1, $2, $1, $3, $1, $4, $3, $1, right? That's how much I've withdrawn from the platform. Minimum withdrawal threshold is just 500,000 LTC. That's like Toshis, right? So that's what's up, guys. I have a couple of others I'm going to run through and claim all of it. I'm not leaving anything to waste away, right? So that's what's up. If you are not already farming Bnbpick or any one of the other sites, I'll leave you all the links for Doge, for Solana, for Tron, and so on and so forth. All the sites that I'll be leaving for you are actually sites I have actually withdrawn from, right? You don't need any form of investment whatsoever. So just jump on it, register, and start earning your free crypto, which you can withdraw anytime. Thanks, and do have a wonderful day. Bye-bye.